Hello friends, welcome to our channel Myths and Facts. Today, let me share about Union Budget 2021. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget 2021 to 2022 in the Lok Sabha on February 1. She presented a paperless budget for the first time. Here are some of the key highlights from Union Budget 2021. A new scheme titled PM Atmanirbhar Swasthya Bharat Yojana to be launched to develop primary, secondary and tertiary health care. Mission Poshan 2.0 to improve nutritional outcomes across 112 aspirational districts. Operationalization of 17 new public health units at points of entry. Modernizing of existing health units at 32 airports, 15 seaports and land ports. Jal Jeevan Mission Urban aimed at better water supply nationwide. Strengthening of Urban Swachh Bharat Mission. 100 new Sainik schools to be set up. 750 Eklavya schools to be set up in tribal areas. A central university to come up in Ladakh. Vehicle scrapping policy to phase out old and unfit vehicles. All vehicles to undergo fitness test in automated fitness centers every 20 years, personal vehicles, every 15 years, commercial vehicles. Highway and road works announced in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Assam. National Asset Monetizing Pipeline launched to monitor asset monetization process. National Rail Plan created to bring a future-ready railway system by 2030. 100% of electrification of railways to be completed by 2023. Metro services announced in 27 cities plus additional allocations for Kochi Metro, Chennai Metro Phase 2, Bengaluru Metro Phase 2A and B, Nasik and Nagpur metros. National Hydrogen Mission to be launched for generating hydrogen from green power sources. Recycling capacity of ports to be doubled by 2024. Gas pipeline project to be set up in Jammu and Kashmir. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana LPG scheme to be extended to cover 1 crore more beneficiaries. No IT filling for people above 75 years who get pension and earn interest from deposits. Reopening window for IT assessment cases reduced from 6 to 3 years. However, in case of serious tax evasion cases, ₹50 lakh or more, it can go up to 10 years. Affordable housing projects to get a tax holiday for 1 year. Compliance burden of small trust whose annual receipts does not exceed ₹5 crore to be eased. Duty of copper scrap reduced to 2.5%. Custom duty on gold and silver to be rationalized. Duty on naphtha reduced to 2.5%. Duty on solar inverters raised from 5% to 20% and on solar lanterns from 5% to 15%. All nylon products charged with 5% customs duty. Tunnel boring machines to attract customs duty of 7%. Customs duty on cotton raised from 0 to 10%. Agriculture infrastructure and development cess proposed on certain items including urea, apples, crude soybean and sunflower oil, crude palm oil, Kabuli chana and peas. Fiscal Fiscal deficit stands of 9.5% of the GDP, estimated to be 6.8% in 2021 to 2022. Proposal to allow states to raise borrowings up to 4% of GSDP this year. A unified securities market code to be created consolidating provisions of the SEBI Act, Depositories Act and two other laws. Proposal to increase FDI limit from 49% to 74%. An asset reconstruction company will be set up to take over stressed loans. Deposit insurance increased from Rupee 1 lakh to Rupee 5 lakh for bank depositors. Proposal to decriminalize Limited Liability Partnership Act of 2008. Two PSU bank and one general insurance firm to be disinvested this year. An IPO of LIC to debut this fiscal. Strategic sale of BPCL, IDBI Bank, Air India to be completed. Agriculture Infrastructure Fund to be made available for APMCs for augmenting their infrastructure. 1,000 more mandis to be integrated into the ENAM marketplace. 5 major fishing hubs including Chennai, Kochi and Paradeep to be developed. A multi-purpose seaweed park to be established in Tamil Nadu. A portal to be launched to maintain information on gig workers and construction workers. Social security to be extended to gig and platform workers. Margin capitals required for loans via Stand Up India scheme reduced from 25% to 15% for SCs, STs and women. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe this video.